In this video, let's go over factoring a difference of squares in one variable, this time advanced type of problem. So factoring a difference of squares in one variable. Alex called it advanced type this time. So I'll give you the first example. The one that I have for you is 25 minus 81 x squared. Now, same thing, we're going to examine if both pieces are perfect squares. I can make 25 by doing 5 times 5, right? 5 times 5 is 25, so that's a perfect square. Next, how about 81 x squared? If I multiply 9x times 9x, 9 times 9 is 81, x times this x is x squared, right? So both are perfect squares. And they are connected by this minus sign. So we're ready to start. So just like the basic type, we're going to have two binomial factors multiplying. In their first position, I'll square root to 25 and put 5 and 5 in each. Next, I need one to be positive, the other one to be negative. In the second position of each factor, I will need to square root 81 x squared, which is 9x. 9x and 9x. And that is it for this example. Let me go over one more with you. How about if we have 4y squared minus 49? Now let's do our check, okay? Is 4y squared a perfect squared? I can do 2y times 2y. Wouldn't that give us 4y squared? So yes, that's a perfect square. Next term was 49. 49 is 7 times 7. So that's another perfect square. And third thing that I must check is that are they connected by a minus sign? Yes. You know, if they're not connected by a minus sign, then we can't do this. Okay, we cannot go on and use this pattern. So we're ready to start this. So we're going to have two factors. In their first position, I'll write down 2y and 2y. Because 2y times 2y is 4y squared. After the 2y, one of the factor will have a plus sign. The other one will have a minus sign. Okay? Now let's divide or take the square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So I'm going to write down 7 in here and another 7 right there. So we're done. This is how you guys can factor a difference of squares in one variable, the advanced type in ALEKS.